In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend image in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to create a smooth, professional-looking transition between two photos right inside Canva, using a simple built-in app. Start by opening your design in Canva. On the left-hand toolbar, click Uploads. This is where you'll bring in the two photos you want to blend. Upload them from your device, then drag each one onto the canvas. Place and resize them so they overlap, or sit near each other in the general arrangement you're aiming for. A quick tip here. Images with similar lighting and color tones usually blend more naturally, so pick photos that feel related, or position them so shared textures meet. Next, look back to the left toolbar and click Apps. This opens Canva's library of add-ons. In the search bar at the top, type Image Blender. When the Image Blender option appears, click it to open the tool. You'll see controls designed specifically for merging images. Inside Image Blender, choose Linear. Linear creates a straight, gradual fade between your two images. It's ideal for side-by-side merges, angled fades, or soft overlaps that don't call attention to the seam. Once Linear is active, a blending line appears. This is your main control for where and how the transition happens. Click and drag the line to position the blend exactly where you want the two images to meet. Move the center of the line to shift the transition zone left or right, up or down. Rotate the line to match the angle of elements in your images. Lining it up with a horizon, an edge, or a pattern can make the effect look intentional. If you see a hard edge, widen the transition by adjusting the handles to soften the fade. Small movements can make a big difference, so zoom in and fine-tune until the boundary disappears into the design. If one photo overpowers the other, nudge the line towards that image to reveal more of the opposite one. For a subtler result, aim to place the transition over areas with similar brightness or color. You can also slightly reposition or resize the images on the canvas while the blend is visible, so the overlap happens in the most forgiving spot. Once you're happy, give the composition a final look at full size. You've uploaded your images, opened apps, searched for and selected Image Blender, chosen Linear, and adjusted the blending line until everything looks seamless. That's all there is to it. With this method, you can create clean, modern photo merges for banners, social posts, or any design that needs a polished, blended edge.